So to add fractions, here are the steps. Number one, find a common denominator, and we'll talk about that below. Number two, multiply to make equivalent fractions. And number three, add the numerators. Okay, you can write that down, please, and I'll actually, that's my note. Okay, I don't big notes, okay? Then I'm gonna do a million examples today. Okay, that's how it works. All right. So again, you've probably done this a lot in grade 6, 7, 8. I don't know when you start fractions. I can't remember. I'm very old. Okay. I think it's 6 or 7. I think maybe early 5. Yeah, I don't know when you start.
So grade 5, I was doing like sample fractions.
Of course, this is grade 9, so we're going to be mean. Okay. I'm going to start off with a nice one here. Here we go. So you decide to write that down. Okay. If you are scared of fractions, do not be. Okay. I'm going to take it through as gently as I can. You guys did a great job with multiplying, dividing. You missed the board work today. They did an awesome job. Didn't even need me. They were just going down. So they were doing such a good job. So I'm hoping adding would go so well. I'm sorry, what's your name?
Brooke.
Sorry, Brooke.
So here.
Okay, so anyway, Brooke, and so these guys are doing a great job. If you notice here, everyone's here again. Connor's missing. So if you're here every day and you work your best, you'll have no problem passing this course, okay? That's the two things we need. All right, are we almost on the notes? Almost?
So are you saying that if I work my hardest and I still get 30s, I'll still pass?
Yes. In my class, anyway. I think if you're here every day and you're doing your best, yes, it's very difficult to pass. Well, you know what I mean? It's very difficult to fail. I mean, very difficult to pass, very difficult to fail.
I think I'm higher than.
Right.
Yeah, you should say it's if your work is very hard, you're not very good on your class, but you're still working it in class every day.
Because all this stuff on the boards counts, right? And I noticed that's a little bit you're working busy.
I carry numbers. I basically put them all in back.
Alright, here we go. So I'm going to start with an easy one here to begin with, okay? And please put a star beside this one because this is the type of fraction that gets field stuff. So I'm going to do 3/4 plus 2/4. Okay, so let's look at step 8. Find a common denominator. Does anyone know what a common denominator is? Yeah, the same denominator. So those guys already have the same denominator, so we don't need to worry about it today. Okay? Let's start with the next one here because some people make mistakes. Hold on, please. Multiply to equivalent fractions are already equivalent. We don't need the common denominator. Then we just add the numerators. Who thinks the answer is 5/4 and who thinks the answer is 5/8? 5/4, raise your hand, please. 2. 5/8, raise your hand, please. Okay, good. So the answer is 5/4.
That's what I think.
Okay, now hold on. This is what I want you to make sure. Once the denominators are the same, I'll draw with pizza pictures in a second, okay? So hold on, please. So again, notice what it says here. Hold on, please. Notice what it says, number 3, add the numerators. It does not say add the denominators. The denominators stay the same. So, back to my pizza picture. Here we go. Two-eyed Connor's not here. He works at a pizza place. Okay? So here's my 2 pizzas. I change. The force is with me. That's good. I changed my pizza place. There's 1, 2. That's 3/4, right?
Are we supposed to draw the pizza?
No, you don't have to. This is 2/4. If you squish, hold on please. Hold on please, can I talk? If you squish those 2 pizzas together, right? You take one piece over here, right? This is 4/4, and that's 1/4. So overall we have 5/4. Right? So you have a whole pizza plus another little quarter. Okay?
You have to make it proper.
No, you don't. You can leave it as 5/4. If you want to change this to 1 1/4, you may. It's not wrong. Okay, but again, 5/4 is all right.
You don't need to.
You don't need to. Okay, are we all okay with why it's 5/4? I hope that helps a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, for that, you don't write that down. With 5/4. Let's try one more to make sure you remember. I can go to more difficult. Difficult? No, we'll stay at the same. Oh, here's one. 1 3/4 plus 2 1/4. Now do not be afraid. When you look at this one, I forget where we're at. Colin, instantly. What's the very first thing you should do instantly when you see something like that, no matter what? Yeah. Well, you can, but I would say no. I would say no. What's a better thing to do? I think you're guessing, so I'm going to pass. You're guessing, so I'm going to pass. As soon as you see a mixed number, what's the first thing we always do in high school? Always. Yes.
I think it's improper.
Improper. Always, no matter what. Okay? So, I'll tell you Owen, and that's wrong. Noah, her name is Noah. I don't know why I get that mixed up. Noah, 1 3/4 change to what, please?
4 or no? I don't know.
Okay, so just to help you, okay, so we'll go 1 times 4 is 4, and plus 3 is 7.
Oh, so it's like-
Just to make sure you understand, I'll make you do the second one now, right? I know, I'm a different person. Well, just because when we get to mix, when we get to like different denominators, no, you don't have to. So this is going to go to 9/4. So the reason this one goes to 9/4, Abby, is why. Okay? Why does this one, Abby, go to 9/4? Yeah. 2 times 4 is 8. Those one is 9. Okay, to finish up here, 16/4. And if you want to bring that down, that goes to 8/2. If you want to bring that down, that goes to 4/1. And 6. Now, this isn't wrong. If you want to go to 1 plus 2, you can do that. That's fine. Okay, right? But it's easier normally. I think that's, Brooke, it's finally, most teachers would tell you to go to improper fractions always in high school. In high school, always.
And
Okay?
oh my gosh, improper is a lot easier to deal with than mixed.
Okay. So if you're like mixed numbers, I'm sorry. I'm going to break that habit right away. Now, is number A and B okay? If I move on, or do I want to do one more? Now, one person thinks it's okay. I want to make sure that everybody. Another one? Okay. I'm going to do letter C. 3/8 plus 7/8. 3/8 plus 7/8. Now, if you're giving up, don't give up. It's just adding, right? Nothing adding here, okay? I'm going to pick on Parker momentarily. I'll give you a second to work. I'm going to pick on you, okay? Okay, so this one's looking frightening, but I think we can do it. Okay, you guys are an awesome class, so keep it up here. You guys are doing a great job so far. Parker, I'm going to pick on you first. 3/8 plus 7/8. What does that turn into, please? 10/8. Very good. Okay. Now, Parker is half right. Sorry, Parker, to embarrass you like that. Parker's only half right. What's the last step, Jonathan, after you do this? 5/4. 5/4. Okay. Because all the rules for fractions still apply, right? You know what I mean? So start at 10/8, just stay the same rules. Okay? I'm strong about about 9 minutes. You can do this. All right. I'm going to move on to common denominators quickly. Okay? Here we go. So I'm going to start with this one, okay? This one, hopefully you remember from elementary school. If your elementary teacher did it different, that's okay. You can do it with their method. I'm just going to show you the way we do it in high school. Okay? So if you're not clear, please ask. I'm not going to ask for anyone's help on this one. I'm just going to do it. 1/2 plus 1/3. Okay. So someone in this class is going to tell me the answer is 2/5, which is wrong. Okay? It says step 1, find common denominators. What that means is you want to make your denominators both the same, so it's a question like this. So you can decide to do it, because that's what you want to do. So the easiest way to do this is to multiply. No. So what I'm going to do is, this whole fraction on the left, I'm going to multiply by 3, and this whole fraction on the right, I'm going to multiply. What? Who's not plugged in? Why am I not plugged in? Why are they unplugged? Oh. Here's what I recorded. Okay. Go and plug that on me, I'm going to fail you. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Okay, so what we're going to do here is the whole entire left-hand fraction times by 3. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator. Okay? So 1 times 3 is going to be 3. And 2 times 3 is going to be 6. On the other side, 1 times 2 is going to be 2. And 3 times 2 is going to be 6. And we're going to do lots of these tomorrow. So just wait. Okay? Our goal here, hold on please. Our goal here is to make them both divided by 6. Okay? So we multiply. So in order to get an equivalent fraction, hold on please, is if I multiply the top and the bottom by 3, 3 over 6, if you divide them both by 3, what do you get? 1/2, right? So you go back to here, 2 over 6 in those terms is still 1/3, so I haven't changed anything. Okay, there is bigger versions of the original fraction, 5 over 6. This now is very good, it's 5 over 6, they're both over 6. Yeah. So let's just talk through this one. I don't think we're going to do too much more today because I don't want to get, I see some people struggling with this, so I don't want to go, I'll harass you with it more tomorrow, okay? But let's just go through this, just talk and see what we did here, okay? So on the left-hand side, hold on please, on the left-hand side, you had 1/2, so you want to multiply them together. So 2, you multiply by this denominator, 3, you multiply the top and the bottom by 3, you get 6. On the right-hand side, you multiply them both by 2, which is this one over here, you get 6. So then 3 over 6, 4 over 6, should be 5 over 6. Okay. We'll harass you a lot more with these tomorrow, not harass you, we'll gently nudge you with these tomorrow, okay? Can everyone close their eyes for a quick second? Just so I can get our feet on this. Who feels good about adding fractions? Raise your hand. Who feels okay but could use some work? Raise your hand. Who feels hideous? Raise your hand. Okay. Thank you. Lift your heads. Okay. I think we're going to use some more to practice on adding and subtracting fractions. Okay. If you are feeling good about this, I'm sorry. You got to sit through this tomorrow. Okay. But for everyone else, the vast majority of the class needs encouragement for us. Okay. So. Just another reminder here.